Good morning, Cardinals. For today's lesson, August 20th, 2020, we will be looking at physical and political maps. So you make your way on the canvas into your modules. We will then complete our bell work. After you completed your two questions, after watching today's current events, you will go to next. Okay, today's explanation will be right here, including lesson objective, the standard. You're going to watch the Screencastify, which we are doing now. And then you're going to go in depth looking at political and physical maps by completing two different Google Doc activities. After you completed these Google Doc activities, you will take a short 2-question quiz over this political and physical maps. So we go next. Let's check out the first worksheet. So you get here, and you have to load the worksheet in a new window. Okay, that'll be a Google Doc. So you load it up. Okay. And there are only a total of 10. There are a total of 10 questions for you to answer today. So an introduction and a review. What two features does a political map show? And the two features a political map shows is borders between countries and states. Number two, it shows capital cities and major cities. And so that brings us talking about capital cities. What does a star inside of a circle represent in a political map? It represents the capital city. Okay. So for each one of these, like question number one here, which country is south of the Black Sea? Well, you get into the map, clicking on the link, which is the header, outlined, colored blue and underlined, right? You click on that link. And so from here, you're going to see, political map. I can see Algeria, Libya, Egypt, the Sahara Desert there, telling you that this is all the Sahara. You can zoom in really close, right? And so what our first question that we need to look for is which country is south of the Black Sea? So when we look at this, we know a sea is a body of water. So we're looking Red Sea, Mediterranean Sea, Persian Gulf, Caspian Sea, Black Sea, boom, right there. So which country is south of the Black Sea, right? And we have to know our cardinal directions. So north, east, south, and west. So what country is south of the Black Sea? That would be Turkey, right? And then you'll keep working your way down. You'll move down to sub-Saharan Africa. You open this up. Sub-Saharan Africa is all the countries south of the Sahara Desert. Okay, so a lot of countries there. Look at the capital city and city on the legend and key over here. Okay, on the legend and key over here, as well as the cardinal directions right here, telling you which way is north. Map scale. Okay, so that'll be our political map assignment today. Once you guys are able to answer all 8 of these questions using the map, okay, you'll come here. And then on here you will hit submit up here. Okay, that way I know you submitted your assignment, and then here you'll click next. And now we have a physical map worksheet. Your physical map worksheet is exactly the same as your political map worksheet. Same regions, and you still only have 8 questions. So what's the introduction review? The question I want you guys to think of from yesterday and yesterday's Screencastify is, what is the purpose of a physical map? Well, the purpose of a physical map is to show the physical features of the Earth, as well as relief or elevation of the Earth's surface. If we think back to yesterday, I'll just look at North Africa and Southwest Asia here. When we think back to yesterday, you guys were able to look at some of these different maps. And we have relief and elevation, which is the colors here, right? We know that red will be high elevation above 10,000 feet according to our legend and key down here, right above 10,000 feet, which would be the Zagros Mountains in Iran and Turkey, right? And so I know that blue and green are near sea level, blue and green near sea level. And let's answer one of these questions today. So what are the names of the two rivers that flow through the country of Iraq? So first I need to find the country of Iraq. Not here, not here. Where's Iraq at? Here it is. Boom, Iraq. What are the names of the two countries that flow through Iraq? It looks like it's the Tigris River and the Euphrates River, right? Feel free to zoom in up here, right? If you need to, zoom in on Iraq, Tigris and Euphrates. So you'll come here and type in the Tigris River and the Euphrates River. And you will continue to answer the rest of these questions in the same format. And then back on the canvas, after you submitted that assignment, you click next. It takes you to today's quiz. Today's quiz is 2 questions. What type of map best solves the problem below? Okay, so one is going to be political map, one is going to be physical map. Okay, make sure you pay close attention to what the question is asking. Okay, after you put your response down, you guys will hit submit, and that will conclude your lesson today. Have a good day, everyone. I miss y'all and I love y'all.